Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. If you are looking to screen record or take a screenshot with the new user interface, I'm going to show you how to do that here. The simplest and easiest way is still just to use your controller by holding that meta button down and just pressing the front trigger. You're going to be able to take a screenshot. If you hold the meta button down and hold the trigger, you're going to start a screen record, and you can stop a screen record the same way. If you're not able to do that, but again, I've been using that all day today with it, you can go to your library. Even if you're in a game, press the menu button, come to your library. You're going to want to hit the camera button. Now, it's not showing you here, so I'm just going to bring up a shot that I took of it. This is a new camera menu here. Now, this new camera menu is actually really nice. It allows you to do some things a lot faster than what we were able to do before. Unfortunately, the casting, I guess, is a bit slower from what it was before, but here you can see casting, screenshot, screen record, some quick settings, which is the thing that I like better. You can go in there and change the aspect ratio. You can go in and change the first person view or avatar view. There's a few different options here that make it really easy for you to quickly change what you are doing here instead of having to go fully into the camera settings every time. That option is here, and I wanted to go through some of that with you here because there are some differences with our camera options compared to what we had before. So here it is a new look. It looks a little bit different. Our photo and video capture are now in the same thing. The big difference that I've never seen before is these capture markers. So again, I'm just going to show you a screenshot because it's not going to show you these while I'm screen recording, but this shows where your video is actually taking place. Instead of you having to kind of guess and check sometimes, it's showing you a little border of what you are actually recording. You can change the aspect ratio there as well as we could with those quick settings, and then it gives you a few of the same settings but just in a little bit different organization there. So those are how you can go through and take a screenshot, take a screen record while you are playing. Hope this video helped you out. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Check out my other tips. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.